Hey guys, welcome to another edition of SellMyComicBooks.com Vintage Comic Book Unboxing. Got a knife, got a box, got two guys here to make corny jokes.
We do it well.
I'll probably pitch in with a few corny jokes. Although this box is no laughing matter.
No.
No.
That's
See,
what you say.
Is that a corny joke right there?
That could be.
Or a pun?
It's gonna be all Mad Magazine cracked.
No, it's
just ears of corn.
It is bubble wrap.
Nicely packed.
Very well.
Very nicely packed. All right.
There's CGC books.
You got all of it?
That's it. All right, what do we got here? Bubble wrap CGC books. If you ever want to sell your CGC books, we pay a pretty handsome
Fair.
percentage, a fair percentage on your CGC books. So get in touch if you're looking to sell, and if you're looking to sell anything. I think we pay a fair price. Obviously, we're a business and we need to make money, but you know. Sean's gonna like these.
Now you've got me very intrigued.
So I'm gonna hate these.
No, you won't hate them, but
Oh, I gotcha.
Oh, that is awesome.
Tails
Don't
of
break
Crypt
the-
31,
don't break the
4, 5.
Jack Davis cover.
Pretty cool.
That's not bad.
It looked like pretty nice for a 4 or 5.
Little tan.
Yeah, but still, I mean,
I would take an EC original in any grade.
that's pretty nice. And 4-0.
Oh, that's a classic
27?
cover too. Wally Wood looks like.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh,
it does.
No, it's
Oh.
where that guy is.
No, it says guillotine. That's just because.
Oh, guillotine. Oh,
But it says
cover.
Wood under that guy's.
Oh,
name.
Wally Wood cover right there.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, let's put that.
No.
All right. Anyway, moving on. This one's pepper tape. Oh, that's way easier.
Isn't it?
I wonder if there's going to be any like war on crime or war against crime or shock suspense stories.
I want to see an Archie.
The opposite of an EC.
Little Lulu.
You'll have an afterlife with Archie, so it'll at least fit the theme.
That's more EC.
Oh.
Tales from the Crypt, 30, 6.5. Pretty cool.
Jack Davis cover.
That's the thing with those EC books, is the art is amazing.
Oh, it is. It's outstanding.
Way ahead of its time, too.
Oh, absolutely.
And none of it was digital.
Hey. Nothing wrong with digital.
Unless you want to buy the original page.
Witchcraft.
Witchcraft's 1. It's kind of neat. 5.0.
Yeah.
Who published that?
Avon.
Avon calling. What?
Well, see what happens is you turn to that guy if you don't buy their beauty products.
Oh. Joe Kubert is in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
What year is this?
52. Oh, didn't we already see this
Yeah.
one?
We did.
In a much lower grade.
Yeah, this is a
That's
7.5.
5.
Okay, and
Haunt of Fear.
Haunted Fear 15 and 8.5.
Wow.
That's cool. Interior cover ad for Mad 1. That's cool.
Nice.
Graham Ingalls cover and art. Pretty cool. His pen name was Ghastly,
Nice.
released on EC. Alright, well, and that does it.
That was a fun box.
That was a great box.
Alright guys, well thanks for checking out our video. As always, subscribe. Also check us out on the web at sellmycomicbooks.com. On Facebook at Sell My Comic Books. At Instagram at Sell My Comic Books. And on eBay, where you're going to actually find these books at, you guessed it, Sell My Comic Books. Talk to you later. Bye.